How to send files on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to send files on Facebook Messenger, then first of all, you need to open up your file. So for example, I'll be choosing a PDF file. So I'll be taking this file, right? So you can simply go for the right side of that file, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on share. And here simply scroll down and go for Messenger, and it will automatically take you to your Facebook Messenger. So you can simply send that to anyone that you would like, and after tapping on that send, it will be sent. And now you can open up your Messenger, and here you can see that you have sent the file on Facebook Messenger. So that's it. That's how you send files on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.